May we request all the guests to please sit down. We have our official photographer. Also, all the guests, please come to the main door. All the guests, please come to the main door as we are starting our processional now. Next, Kabab Moman Eileen C. America? Valenzuela Ariel B. That's it for the barista, batch 18. Now we will proceed with bread and pastry.